Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, Allah Azza wa Jal has bestowed upon us His great favor in the form of the blessed month of Ramadan, so that we could attain piety and divine pleasure. As Allah Azza wa Jal says in Surah Baqarah, Part 2, verses 183 to 184. Translation from Kanzul Iman. O those who believe, fasting has been made obligatory upon you, as were made obligatory upon those before you, so that you may become pious. The days are counted. Then whosoever amongst you is ill or on a journey, then same number of fasting in other days. And those who have no strength should give in fine meal to a needy. Then whosoever does more good, then that is better for him. And fasting is better for you, if you know. Like Salah, the fast of Ramadan are also fard, meaning obligatory, for every male and female Muslim who is sane and has reached the age of puberty. It is stated in Durr-e Mukhtar that fasts were declared fard on 10th of Shaban, 2 years after Hijrah. Most of the acts in Islam remind us of faith, refreshing Islamic and historical events. Running between Safa and Marwa reminds us of Sayyidatuna Hajra radiyallahu ta'ala anha walking and running between these two mountains 7 times in search of water for her beloved son Sayyiduna Ismail ala nabiyina wa alayhi salatu wassalam. Allah Azza wa Jal liked this act and declared it wajib for all those who perform Hajj and Umrah to imitate her in order to keep this act alive. Likewise, the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam spent some days of Ramadan in seclusion in the cave of Hira, where he sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam used to refrain from eating during the day and worship Allah Azza wa Jal during the night. In order to keep the memory of this blessed act of Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam alive, Allah Azza wa Jal made it obligatory for us to fast in Ramadan. The people of the previous ummah also fasted, but their manner of fasting was different from ours. According to narrations, Sayyiduna Adam ala nabiyina wa alayhi salatu wassalam would fast on the 13th, the 14th and the 15th dates. Sayyiduna Nuh ala nabiyina wa alayhi salatu wassalam would used to fast every day. Sayyiduna Isa ala nabiyina wa alayhi salatu wassalam would fast every day and would never miss even a single fast. Sayyidina Dawood ala nabiyina wa alayhi salatu wassalam used to fast on alternate days. And Sayyidina Sulaiman ala nabiyina wa alayhi salatu wassalam used to fast on the first 3, the middle 3, and the last 3 days of every month. My respected viewers of Madani Channel, since fasting is obligatory for every sane and adult Muslim, be it male or female, we should impose it upon ourselves to perform this obligatory act and to seek the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.